We are building an outdoor fire pit today. For starters, you guys are going to want to pick a nice safe location, and then you're going to grab a piece of string and a stick or something, and we're going to use this to make a perfect circle. So what I'm doing here is just wrapping around a spray can, and I'm going to go ahead and walk over to where the fire pit's at, and I'm going to put that stick in the middle, and I'm going to make a perfect circle using the spray can. So we got our perfect circle. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with a spade. I'm going to start by cutting that out and removing the sod. If you guys got a place that needs some sod, this is a good time for that. Going to dig out just a little bit in the middle, get it nice and level. Once you kind of get the depth that you want, we're going to go ahead and start by leveling it off. And I'm using a 4x4 post here to kind of give us a reference point to keep it nice and level all the way across. Once you get it nice and level, we're going to take some Paver Base, and we're going to go ahead and spread the Paver Base out evenly in the hole. What this is going to do is going to give us a nice base for our bricks that we're going to be laying. So once again, with Paver Base, we're going to go ahead and get that nice and flat. Once it's flat, we're going to start by putting in our first ring of bricks. Here I'm using bricks that I purchased from Menards, retaining wall bricks. Once we get those in, we're going to go ahead and tap those down. If you have a level, now would be a good time to get them nice and level with that. The retaining wall bricks do have a little lip on the back of them, so we're going to go ahead and leave that lip for the first row, but for the second row, we're going to go ahead and knock that off so it'll lay nice and flat. So I went ahead and I put that second row on top of the first row, and I have some landscape adhesive that I went ahead and laid down in between the two layers of bricks, as you can see me doing right here. We put quite a bit in of the landscape adhesive. It's going to give you a nice base. Remember to leave a small gap between all three bricks to allow some air through. And we have our finished project here. Everything used in this project will be in the description. Have a good day.